Beginner bikes are relative to what you're comfortable on and what you want to ride. Um, Whether you want to go in the sport bike world or the adventure world or the cruiser world or anything like that, that's kind of going to cater towards whatever demographic you're going to be a part of. So, if it's a sport bike, those smaller CCs, have a ton of power in them. So you got to kind of be careful. A lot of people think, oh, that 600cc is relatively small and I'm going to be comfortable on that, but it'll still kill you. Like it's still a ton of power, a ton of horsepower. They're lightweight. They're a lot of fun. So if that's the goal, and you can try to start on something smaller, like Kawasaki makes a Ninja 400, that's ideal. The problem is you might outgrow it really, really quickly. If you can buy that and still not, lose a ton of money in trading it or selling it to get to a 600cc, that'd be the best way to go. So beginner bikes is what's the best is going to be. It's kind of a loaded question. So it's going to be whatever you're comfortable with and whatever style you're after. That's not going to probably break the bank because you're going to trade it probably within 6 months or a year to get a step up. So that's a tough one because it's loaded. Like that's a loaded question, and that can be a ton of different answers.